Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. My name is Anne, and today's video I'll be showing you how to make hibiscus oil. And here I have my hibiscus flower. I have the fresh one and the dried one. I mean a little bit dried. So let's get straight to the video. But then I also have my coconut oil, which is going to be my carrier oil. This is it. That's my coconut oil. You can use olive oil in place of this or any other oil of your choice. So first and foremost, I'm going to wash the flowers. So guys, as you're washing the flowers, let me share with you some benefit of using hibiscus oil on the hair. So hibiscus oil promotes faster hair growth. It treats itching, split ends, it treats dandruff, it conditions your scalp, and it's also good for dry. So guys, our oil is ready. Thank you for watching. Apply this oil to your scalp at least twice a week for effective and extreme hair growth. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.